Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to delete a voice message before sending it in an Instagram group on your PC, following the latest update. If you've ever recorded a voice message and realized you didn't want to send it, don't worry, we've got you covered. First, open Instagram on your web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon located on the left menu of the screen. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages are stored. Click on it to enter your messaging area. Once you're in the Messages section, find and open the group chat where you want to send your voice message. This will allow you to communicate with multiple friends at once, making it perfect for group discussions. Now locate the voice recorder icon within the chat window. This icon typically looks like a microphone. Click on it to start recording your voice message. Speak clearly and ensure that your message is just as you want it to be. However, if you realize that you've made a mistake or simply changed your mind while recording, don't panic. Just click on the cancel icon, which usually appears as a small X or trash can next to the recording interface. This action will discard your voice message before it is sent. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a voice message before sending it in an Instagram group on your PC. Remember, this feature is handy for ensuring that only the messages you truly want to share are sent out. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively.